Tree cutting, take one. Where's my chop?
Hi.
Hi guys, how's it going? So I'm here with my friend Nancy. So we're here out cutting some Christmas trees for Nancy's front porch. And we've got a permit. Maybe I should show the permit. Hold on. So, got my permit. Got my permit here. And we're about to go Christmas tree hunting. So you have to get a tree that's less than 2.5, oh my goodness, meters. So it's going to be, we don't need something that tall because it's just going to flank her front door. And something less than 15 centimeters wide, the stump. Is that what it said? Yes. And I'll read any other rules later. So here we are, we've got our little saws. What saw do you got there, Nancy?
I've got this wonderful little silky that I got to trim some branches at my house, and it's a really great little saw.
Good, and I've got my wobbly saw. Hold on. I've got this.
Awesome.
So we've got a few tools. Me with my big hacksaw and Nancy with her silky. And we're off to the bushes to see if we can find some nice little trees for her front door.
Hey.
Okay, here we go. Hi Nancy, here we go. We're explaining where are we going?
Okay, so we pulled up the map of where we can cut trees with our tree cutting permit. And this is a map of the Elbow River area. So we're just at the visitor center at Gooseberry.
There's the visitor
center off Highway 66. And so we're looking at this pink outlined, dotted pink line area that is all area where one can cut a tree. And we're down here. And we're going to go to this magnified area here. So we cannot cut down anything by Allenville Pond or along the Elbow River after that.
So that's the stuff in green and yellow, or
that's
like
right.
Orangey kind of color.
Yeah.
We can't go there, but we're along this highway. What is it? Highway
66.
66, and we can cut anything like within this pink lined area, except for those spots there.
Right, west of Gooseberry.
Okay.
So
Good.
we're going to find a place to pull out and maybe see what we can find.
Yes. So there's Gooseberry over there.
It's to the right, that's the campground.
Okay. We just drove past it.
So I think we're kind of good anywhere here, but it's finding us place to. There's a few cute little trees. Oh, there's some cute little.
Like to pull over, right?
Yes, to safely pull over. And it looks like we could go in. We could go in there, but I think maybe some of these littler ones would be better choices.
I think so.
I'm thinking the pot is only about a foot around.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking about like this high.
Yes, and we just gauge it to our body height, and then we know it's kind of the same height. You can always cut off the bottom.
2.5 meters.
That's really tall.
Pretty big.
So we're hoping for a non-Charlie Brown tree because we want Nancy's place to look nice.
But if it's Charlie Brown, we'll love it anyway.
Okay, there's a lot of good little ones here.
Put up in here.
Yeah, that is cute. That's really cute.
That's a good one.
That's a good one. Okay, we'll take a close up. That doesn't look Charlie Brown.
No. Trim it a little bit.
Yeah. Trim it on the top a wee bit.
Yeah.
You could trim it down to here. Like to this point here, you could trim it down. Because it has a few liters. How does that one look?
bit tall, maybe.
It is taller.
What about this one? Is it too short?
Does it look a little more spindly?
It's quite hard to...
Oh, yeah, there's a little bit of a tip.
No, I think it's quite good.
I think it's quite nice.
Yeah.
What? It's that easy? It looks nice. They said we would have Charlie Brown trees. It's not Charlie Brown.
It's a little thin.
It's a little thin in the middle. It's a little thinner, maybe. It's hard to tell unless we put them together.
Okay. Well, I think since we like this one, maybe we should cut it down.
Yeah.
And then we could put it maybe...
Next to it, and then we can copy. You want to try my saw first?
Oh, let's see what this is.
Bigger is not always better. Let me get around you.
It's coming.
Is it stuck?
Timber.
It's really nice. Okay, let's go compare it to the other one, hey?
It feels a little weird cutting down a tree.
It does. Poor little baby tree. There's also this one. What's this one? Look if you take off. It's not bad. It's still. What do you think?
Well, here, I'll...
Do you want me to hold it?
Well, how about you tell me what you think?
One's quite a bit higher. Well, let's see.
Well, we're going to cut some of this off, right?
Right,
Like
right.
This one is quite a bit nicer on top.
Yeah, it is nice on top. How is it on this side? It looks like a little, do you see how on, well, no, it's got some branches down here. It's a little thin here.
It's not as wide. Look how wide this one is at the bottom.
Yeah, this one's got way more girth. We got our little tree we're dragging along to match it.
Yes, it thins it out. We'll follow the deer trail.
There's one here, but that's not so good. What's this one? Nancy, what do you think of this one? Maybe. It's a little bare on the bottom, but it's kind of wonky.
Winter Wonderland over here.
It is. It's so funny. You're dragging your tree. It's kind of like your cane. Your walking stick.
It is. Okay, that's good. It's the right height.
What do you think of it? This one we really got it scored on the first one, didn't we?
Oh, this is good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Because we'll take a little bit off the
Yeah,
bottom.
we can trim it up.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll make it look good.
Let's do this one.
Yeah. Do you want to use mine?
I
You like yours?
I
Yep.
do, I do.
Okay, good. Cool. Put you to work. Put you to work. You're doing all the work here.
Okay, that's a little bit of...
This is definitely not wider than 15 centimeters.
Timber.
Timber. Success.
Success.
2 trees. That wasn't so hard.
No. Did you want to get a tree?
I kind of feel like I should. We do have a permit for 3 trees.
We do.
Maybe I'll get a little baby one.
Okay.
Where's my big sign?
Lisa found a good tree. There she goes. How's it going?
Oh, good. I'm almost through.
There it goes.
Come here! Oh, that's so nice. Yay.
Good.
I got it! Okay,
Well
wait
done.
a second. I feel like I should do like a little... Look how much
Okay,
I feel like
here we go. Back to the car.
Star Wars.
You can leave one if you want.
I got it.
There she goes.
Live shot of the back of the vehicle. What a great name.
We have funny little signs.
Oh, look at this. So sweet. Oh my goodness. Ooh,
You might like this store because it's
Yeah.
got so many fun things.
Yeah. Oh, it's really neat. I like these little lanterns. Yeah. All these signs. Little brackets and stuff.
Hooks. Pretty, aren't they?
Yeah. Oh, here we go.
And we got other stuff basically here, and then
And spread around. Okay, thank you.
you all.
I love this little thing. This little
Pipes.
pipe. That's clever. Of course you would have that in a hardware
Oh,
store.
here's a cute little bird.
Oh, that's pretty.
Isn't that pretty?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like him. This is cute too, the
Oh,
skates.
the little skates.
What do you think?
I like it.
They're kind of pretty, aren't they?
Yeah. Oh, look at the face. Look at the face of this guy. I like him. A scan of Nancy's front porch here. And so we were thinking on either side we're going to put these 2 Christmas trees. And she's got some goodies here. So here are the pots that she pulled out, right? Some blue pots. They're pretty, actually. Turquoisey. You were explaining to me how you got all these doodads here.
Yes, my uncle had a tradition of sending a fresh wreath every year from Nova Scotia.
Nice.
And that fresh wreath would come with a little bag of bubbles and pine cones to put on, and you could decorate it yourself.
Nice.
And every year I saved them, so here they are to use it on another project.
Yeah, so nice. So you've got some berries in different colors, some red and white, some cones. This is really neat because this is just like a little spike on them. So you can just poke them in.
It's great for a wreath. Might have to.
And we've got these little thingamajiggies. What are they? We're not sure. We got some ribbon that a friend gave me. Thank you, Marilyn. We've got a few. We're not sure if we're going to use any of these. I do have some wire that I brought with me so we could tie little bows. Yeah. That would be really pretty. And then you have some colored lights. You had wanted white lights, but we got colored lights. And then this is some of the birds we got at the store. Look how good they look. I think they're a good size, actually.
Yeah.
And then you got this this funky little garland. That's kind of cute.
Or garland. So we'll see.
As you can see, what we did was just shoved it in there with a lot of soil around the base, and hopefully it will freeze up. We'll add a little bit of water. But they look pretty good. I'll stand back here. One's a little bit, has a little bit more girth. One's a little bit slimmer. Here's a close-up so far. We got some berries on, we got some cones. We figured the berries and the cones may be a little oversized for this tree. But, you know, or how did you say it? Like no one be able to identify this tree, but oh yeah, nice. There we go. Now we're going to try some ribbon.
That'll be cute.
That'll be really cute with the bows there, like that. Nice.
Okay, we'll make a bunch like that.
You got the little chickadee on there. And now we've got the bigger chickadee. Or what is the other one? What is the silver one? I'm not sure.
It's like a sparrow.
Like a sparrow. But look at how the bows look. I'll back up. Doing that trick on myself. You see? Oh, so cute. And close up, you can see our little bows. We would have done more, but actually, come to think about it, it doesn't really need more, right? So we just got 3 of the plaid ones and 3 of the green ones. Just some ribbon. And let's take a picture of this one. Looks nice with the snow on it, Nancy. So that's it for today, guys. Until the next time, I hope you enjoyed this video from me and Nancy. Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas.
Bye.